Hello, hi everyone. I am your producer. Now I am going to share with you one of the most important and useful video on degrees of comparison. Dear students, degrees of comparison is one of the topics which you are going to come across in your question paper for 8th, 9th and 10th standards. Here, first of all, let's come to know what's meant by degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison in Kannada we say bhavavachakagalu, and let us see its definition. The adjectives are used in comparison. This is the first point we have to keep in mind. Secondly, they have 3 degrees of comparison. In comparison, adjectives are used basically, and all the adjectives have got 3 degrees of comparison. Okay, what are they? They are positive degree, means naiza bhava vachaka. Second one is comparative degree. Comparative degree means tulanatmaka vachaka. And the last one is superlative degree. Superlative degree means तुलनातीत वाचक. Got it? For naiza bhava vachaka, in Kannada we also say yathartha vachaka. And for tulanatmaka vachaka, we also say tara vachaka. Okay? And for tulanatita vachaka, we can also say tamavachaka. Okay, and positive degree we can call it shortly as PD. PD means positive degree. For comparative degree we can call it CD. CD means comparative degree. And for superlative degree, we can call it shortly as SD. PD for positive degree, CD for comparative degree, and SD for superlative degree. Okay, and now what's meant by degree? The question comes, what does degree mean? Degree means, please remember, a form of an adjective. Degree means, simply remember, degree means a form of an adjective. A form of an adjective. Degree is nothing but a form of an adjective. Okay, then how many forms do you see in adjectives? 3 forms. What are they? They are PD, CD and SD. They are nothing but the different forms of adjectives. Okay, let us see. For example, there is one adjective like sweet. Sweet is in its original form, so we can call it PD. PD means positive degree, positive form. Positive degree means positive form. And if you change the adjective sweet into comparative form, it becomes what? Sweeter. Sweeter means its comparative form. Comparative form means comparative degree. Understand? We can call it CD. Okay? And if you change the same adjective into superlative form, I mean superlative degree, what does it become? It becomes sweetest. Sweetest is superlative form. PD, CD, SD, these are nothing but the forms of an adjectives. Positive form, comparative form, superlative form. Form is nothing but degree. Form of what? Form of an adjective. Okay, similarly, rich and comparative form richer, and superlative form is what? Richest. Richest. Understand? Then wise. Wise is positive form, means positive degree. Its comparative form is wiser. Superlative form is wisest. Got it? Here, the adjectives like sweet, rich, wise consist of one syllable. Therefore, we add er here and est in superlative forms. If the adjective consists of more than one syllable, understand, if they are irregular, for example, active, a word of two syllables, it's an adjective of two syllables. Therefore, we can't say activer in comparative degree. Then what to do? Before positive form, we have to add more. More in comparative degree. When you change this word into superlative degree, it means more becomes what? Most, and positive degree remains same, but it is preceded by most in superlative degree and more in comparative degree. Got it? One more. Intelligent. Intelligent, it's a word of more than one syllable and it's an irregular adjective. When you change the adjective into comparative and superlative degree, it takes more in comparative, more intelligent, and in superlative degree, most intelligent. Okay? This is what we have to keep in mind. Adjectives have got three forms. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Degree means form, positive form, comparative form, superlative form. Got it? These are nothing but different forms of adjectives. Different forms of adjectives are called degrees. Got it? Now the question comes to our mind, how to use these adjectives in sentences. Please remember, when you use these words into sentences, positive degree is preceded by us and followed by us. Sometimes it can be preceded by so and followed by us. It means, please remember, PD sentences will consist of us, and so us. Us are used before positive degree. Before positive and after positive degree, we use us. When us are used, do you know? If the sentence is positive. If the sentence is positive, we use us. If the positive degree sentence is negative, then adjective is placed between so us. Understand? PD means positive form, positive degree adjective. PD means positive degree adjective. Then in CD what happens? After CD it means comparative form of the adjective. Here we have to use THAN, then. CD plus then. It means than is used in CD. And in SD, the is used. The plus SD is used. Clear? As, so as in PD, than in CD, the in SD. We have to keep in mind. Clear? What to remember? As, so as are used in PD. First point. Second point, than in CD. Third point, the in SD. You have to keep in mind. Clear? It means as sweet as if the sentence is positive, so sweet as if the sentence is negative, sweeter than, richer than, wiser than, more active than if the sentence is comparative, the sweetest, the richest, the wisest, the most active if the sentence is superlative. Dear students, I hope you came to know what's meant by degrees of comparison, how many types of degrees are there, and how we change the adjectives into different forms, and how the adjectives are used in sentences. Dear students, if this video has helped you in understanding degrees of comparison in short, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. And next time I'd like to meet you all with one more very interesting video. Till then, bye.